Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the mobile data isn't working on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. First of all, go to Settings on your smartphone, and in Settings select Network and Internet. Then check your SIM cards and make sure that your device recognizes your SIM card. If you don't see your SIM card in here, then make sure that you have inserted it properly. So grab a pin tool and insert it into the pinhole next to your next to the tray with the SIM card. Slightly push it inside to remove the tray, and then carefully remove the tray from your smartphone. Check your SIM card and make sure that if you are using it if you're using the SIM card in the first slot, then it's aligned like this, and if you're using it in the second one, you have to align it this way. And then reinsert your SIM card into the smartphone. And then check your mobile data again. Now, if this doesn't help you, then we can also check if the mobile data is enabled and the proper SIM card is assigned for the data. You just saw how I enabled the mobile data for this SIM card. Now we can also go to mobile network, and here check the access point names. Now if you have set up APN manually, then check your carrier's website and check if you don't have to change it in here. So if you don't have changed any data in here, and in case you didn't set up anything, then this means that the APN is set automatically, and that's the way it is on most with most SIM cards. Now here just tap three dot icon in the top right corner if you didn't set anything manually in here, and then just tap reset to default. And then check your mobile data once again. Now as the last resort, what we can do on the smartphone is go to the system menu, then select advanced, reset options, then reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. This will unpair all of the Bluetooth devices from your smartphone too, and this will also this option will make your phone forget all the Wi-Fi networks, so you're gonna have to re-enter the password to them on your smartphone. So just select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, then reset settings, then confirm once again, and then try using your mobile data once again, and of course reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks. So go back to network and internet, make sure that the mobile data is enabled. Make sure that in the SIM cards we have the data set to the proper SIM card, and so basically right now everything should work fine. Now if your problem still wasn't resolved, then contact your carrier and ask them about any outages on their side, or maybe check your data plan and check if anything changed. Maybe you missed a payment this month or something. And at this point, this is the entire troubleshooting process. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.